How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 65 Chevelle Malibu. It's a clean Virginia car, done in its factory colors. Super nice paint on the car, very flat, smooth. Grill, headlight bezels, all the trim around the front looks like it's all been replaced. Front bumper's been re-chromed. It's a very nice car. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. All the side trims the original in excellent condition. Got brand new set of Rev Classics and tires on it, 17-inch. Rear bumper is the original, and it's got a little age to it. But all the trim and everything around the deck lid and tail lights is all very nice. All the glass in the car is excellent condition. I believe this is called Mist Blue. And it's got a pretty wicked 327, 60 over. It's got Holley aluminum heads, matching intake, Holley 4-barrel carb. Pretty stout little motor. Got aluminum radiator, power steering, power disc brakes. It's all nicely painted under the hood and everything. Just a very nice car. It's got a 400 turbo trans. It's got 10-bolt posi rear with 331 gear. Jams all look nice. Interior's gorgeous. All been replaced. Dash bezels in excellent condition. It's got a AM/FM stereo with iPod capability. Headliner all looks good. Seats have all been reupholstered. The car's been restored for several years. It looks beautiful. I really like the two-tone blue interior in the car. Got the original, center console. It's got power rear mounted antenna. Got factory jack, spares all in it. Very nice car. Original center console, it's all in good shape. They did do a Hurst performance ratchet shifter in it to work properly with the 400 turbo trans. It's got dual flow masters all the way out the back. Just a cool car. Got an extra vacuum pump for the brakes because the camshaft don't make a ton of vacuum. Throaty exhaust. That's just a cool car right there. Got perfect stance to it. It's got all boxed control arms in the rear and sway bar. No, that one did not have a sway bar. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. great day, folks.